Did you know that statistically speaking, half of the audience in this room will get cancer at some point? I was searching for information on cancer treatment, which is in my PhD project, when I stumbled across this fact. I was shocked. 1 out of 2 people will get cancer. Fortunately, the statistics don't mean that half of you are going to die of cancer. Why? Because we have very powerful treatment strategies. Immunotherapy or protein therapy, for example, are promising candidates to treat cancer successfully. It is based on using proteins of our immune system. Cancer often spreads because our immune system cannot detect cancer cells. So by boosting our immune system with proteins during immunotherapy, cancer can be eliminated. Thus far, the whole process of cancer treatment was and still is very demanding, primarily for the patients who need to undergo invasive procedures. I'm not only talking about chemotherapy and surgery. I am talking about the weekly or monthly treatment using injections or infusions of cancer medication. I am trying to make cancer treatment easier for the patients by formulating solid medications such as pills or capsules for immunotherapy. It would mean less pain when drugs can be administered without needles. It would save time and costs, and patients would be more independent in the use of their medication. Whenever I talk about my project, people get very excited. And they ask me, why hasn't this been done? It sounds so easy. Maybe you in the audience just thought that. Unfortunately, I have to tell you, it is not that easy. These promising protein drugs are as delicate as snowflakes. You can compare a protein to a snowflake that melts at 42 degrees. These proteins are as fragile as snowflakes. So a soft touch and they break. The problem is they lose their function and their effectiveness. So as you can imagine, a protein would not work well as a pill. Similar to a snowflake, if you try pressing it into a pill, it would break. They cannot be filled into a capsule either. If you dissolve them, then they're just gone. It's their nature. It is my responsibility now to get to know the nature of these proteins, to treat them respectfully so that they work effectively in solid medication. So my goal is to ease the treatment for patients. Thank you.